Squid. Boris.
Chuck, where is Red and Inklemoy's Squid sister? Where are they?
Well, they're busy at the time because you know what happened? Red got arrested.
What? We got arrested? How?
Well, Red need to go buy stuff at a Christmas. Something, but then kaboom! That's what happened. Now we have to just wait till the ice burn and ready to get out. But I don't know, Eagle Boy is gonna do something. Don't tell me he's gonna break it or jailbreak. Maybe just no. I'm just normal. No. Well, hold the screen, man. Now you can see the plane. Right? I choose the character. I choose Wally. Yeah. But won't explain what happened to Red and the others. Start doing my job. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to see my friend Red. Ooh, my friend Red, the Angry Bird. Oh yeah, he's in there. It's a good turn. Oh man. Thanks. I try to ask him and he made a mistake. I'm sorry, but I will ask him. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Ha! Oh yeah, you just get open the don't worry, I'll open it. Mamma mia. Hey, what happened to my friend? Psst, hey. Oh, hello. I don't know who you are, but what are you? What happened? Look, we trying to get the candy, but the problem is $100. Even we got problems at the store. Take a look. What is it? Oh, what happened? Got arrested too. Now we need to get the heck out of here. Look, I told you this again, but Squid is to buy the candy. You know? Oh, yeah, he got $100. Remember he won. He congratulations all the singing. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, he got $100. So he buy the candy so they get ready to the Christmas. Oh. So yeah, but don't worry. I will find you. Get the heck you two get out of this prison. So I asked Chuck and Boris and Squid is waiting outside. Now, do you mind? I will do something, but be back. Okay.
No, the problem is I got a grenade and the orange one and this to start a fire.
No. If only we did put it inside the prison.
Oh really? Oh shit. Oh, you wanna break it down? Okay. Oh well, let's fight.
Oh yeah, you wanna fight?
Yeah, let's fight.
No one listen. I don't know. Boris and Chuck didn't know about the fight again. Do you know Squid sister?
Me neither.
And only one had something
like a salty.
like I don't even know like something else.
Really wanna fight? I'm gonna say the bad word.
Squid sister? Well, I need to find 8 million fast.
Come here, bitch! Leprechauns or mammals? Oh, hell no! What? The train's coming, bitch!
Okay, what's going on?
The train's coming, bitch!
Stop fighting! Hey, what's going on here? What's going on? Start Boris. He said we have to turn on. We put TNT inside, but now, kaboom! I turn on. Hey, what are you doing, boy? Not yet. But you're gonna find out because we got 2 prison. 2 prison? Who? Well, that kid kidnapped Mighty Eagle. Mighty Eagle? What? That pig. Squid, you don't know who is Mighty Eagle. But me neither who is Mighty Eagle. He's a superhero, but he's so fat, man. But he's a superhero right now. But I don't know why about what he did nothing. But anyway, we must do something because before that thing. Now, did you turn it on?
Of course we turn it on. We put it at TNT. See, we done it and we did it.
Alright. You guys do something, but Eagle Boy, you must stay away the squatches to begin. This bomb is going to explode. Okay? Now, you guys stay here outside and let me check the rat inside. Okay? Let me check. Be careful. Now, you two guys, you have to hide right now before this bomb is gonna explode. We're gonna blow it.
Alright, just come on, let's take your final load.
That one. Oh, really? Because I wasn't even sure I should have put that one out.
Oh, you always do this. You ask me for my opinion and then you ignore it. Besides, it's just a tie.
Just a tie? Neckwear can make a very important first impression. Hey, you wouldn't understand.
Oh, I wouldn't understand. Because I can't wear a tie, you think I would understand? Is that it?
No, not at all. Here, is this the tie you wanted?
That's the one. That's the babe magnet.
It's kind of, big.
Proportions, Johnson. Proportions. It's attitude that makes the monster.
Oh, my shirt. What was that? Sounded like Daddy Monkey. What's coming from that upper window? Daddy, is that really you? Have you come to rescue me? Son, are you in there? This be your father. I'm here to rumple you. Rumple. I'm here to rescue you, okay? Ooh, it's Daddy Monkey. Hey, guys, Daddy Monkey's here to rescue us. Oh, really? Hey, Daddy. Son, you want the whole prison to wake up and come out and arrest your only father? Sorry, Daddy. Yes, son, I'm here to save you. Oh, and your brother and mother are here, too. Now, son, I got me this stick of dynamite. I'm gonna light it, so you stay up against the wall. You know what I mean? Get up against the wall, so when this blow, it won't kill you. Ooh, gotcha. All right, get ready, boys. Well, you heard him. Let's stand up against the wall so we won't die, okay?
Oh, I'm ready.
Not mine. Okay.
Hey, guys, what is that? Do you hear it?
Sounds like dynamite. I ain't loud, though.
Which wall is he going to blow up?
Why, that one over there, of course.
Hey, but he was right out this window over here.
You don't think that...
Oh, shit. Anybody run! Anybody run! Don't worry, y'all. The important thing is that we're all still alive.
He's right. We have to make a break for it. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody.
Freedom at last!
Yeah. Mamma mia. Yay. Ah. Great, my head got broken. Ouch. But I'm okay.
Oh, gosh, this old.
I'm not know about this one. Where is it? Oh, fuck. I stopped it in my thing. Hold on. Now I will put it in my body. Wait. Which Rex go? Who? Rex. I don't know. Come on, you must stay. We home free. Thank you. I'm always dating. I'm a toy. You're welcome. Why are we Yeah, I'm okay. What's wrong? I hit it by the door. Because look at my hair. You see this? It's broken now. Well, I move, but I can't see. See? It's broken. My hair is broken. I need to find new hair. I need to find it. Of course, this is the end of the video finally, but hold on. What happened to prison now?
Alright, let's go. You little bastard!
Okay, so sure, switches to turn off the camera right now because I'm just gonna end it.